single day. So what, you're not going to talk to her for the whole rest of your life?
Hey, there's a new place called Final Notice.
Give me that. It's from the electric company. They're cutting us off at 5.
Didn't you pay that bill?
Well, I had to choose between water and electricity, Dan, and you can only live 2 days without water.
Sure, I can take a bath, but I can't throw the toaster in.
Hello, this is Roseanne Connor, 714 Delaware Street. No, I can't hold. I'm on hold.
How far behind are we?
I don't know, a few months. I can't believe they're cutting us off after the very first final notice. Hello? Well, okay, I got this kind of a warning on my doorknob from you guys saying that you're going to cut us off at 5, which is like in about 3 minutes. What am I supposed to do? Well, hey, I sent a check in there. It ain't my fault if you guys didn't get it. Well, no, I can't get down there that fast. Hey, I know, you're there. Why don't you write a check and then I'll cover it on Monday? I'm good for it. We're screwed. Okay, listen up, family. If anybody has anything to do this weekend that requires electricity, you got about 2 minutes.
All rats, and it was my turn to vacuum the house.
I'll try to dig up some flashlights and candles.
I'm gonna watch TV.
Way to help out, son.
Well, I better turn up the fridge. Well, middle class was fun.